Hello, hello. I'm going to show you how I like to use lemon. You can use lemon a myriad of ways, but I'm going to show you how I clean my water bottle and my sink. So I just get the hot water going. You can use kettle hot if you want to heat up some water, but I am just going to use tap hot. Fill it up with some nice temperatured water and put one drop of lemon. My bottle is on its last leg, so I'm just going to shake it in. Give it the sniff test. Yes. I can also pop it open. There's a tool you can grab from doterra. I'm going to go ahead and pop this open just to make sure I really got my lemon. You just slide it under that. This is called a orifice cap. You just slide that out. There we go. So now I make sure I'm getting that in there. Patience below, courage below. Boop. Excellent. Now I'm just going to pop the cap on, which you can see it's got some coffee around this one. Put coffee in this one. I'm going to give it a good shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the lemon with that water. And then, look at that. I'm not done with this. I'm going to clean another water bottle with it. Now, I'm going to rinse this out. You can absolutely drink the lemon. It's delicious. But right now, this is cleaning lemon. Right now, I think of this drop as soap. And so I don't want to drink it. But I will use it quite a few times. Now, that's clean. You can see that one was darker. Oh, did I clean both of them? I can't even tell you if I cleaned both of them, guys. And then I'll take a rag to wipe the rims, like this. It smells delicious. You can't smell all this lemony goodness. Look at that lip balm. Look at how easily that comes off. Okay, and now I'm going to take this and I'm going to use it to clean my sink. Do you see? Can you see how quickly the grime and grease comes up? Look at that. I'm talking about a drop, maybe two, of lemon in some warm water. That's it. That's it. Easy, breezy, toxin-free cleaning, guys. Now I'm going to rinse this in warm water. And then I'm going to change it to cold water because I'm going to drink it. Lemon is great for, first of all, it just tastes delicious in water, but it's also great for detoxifying the body. So I like to drink it. Add a little drippy drop of lemon. Only doTERRA oils. That's the only thing I personally would consume because we're certified pure therapeutic grade and you know what you're getting in that bottle. Refrescante! And that's how to use lemon, guys.